Greetings, spice enthusiasts and aspiring entrepreneurs. Today, we're diving into the world of chili powder production, right here in Africa. From sourcing the finest peppers to grinding and packaging, we'll cover everything you need to know to start a successful chili powder business. Let's spice things up. Let's kick things off with the heart of your chili powder business: the production process. Crafting high-quality chili powder requires careful selection of peppers and precision in grinding and packaging. Here's a step-by-step guide. Pepper selection. Choose a variety of chili peppers with distinct flavors and heat levels, such as African bird's eye chili, cayenne, and habanero. Consider sourcing peppers from local farmers to support the community and ensure freshness. Drying process. Properly drying. The peppers is crucial for preserving their flavor and heat. You can sun-dry them or use a dehydrator for faster results. Ensure the peppers are fully dried before proceeding to the next step. Grinding. Invest in a high-quality spice grinder or mill to grind the dried peppers into a fine powder. Adjust the grind size to achieve your desired level of heat and texture. Packaging. Once ground, package the chili powder in airtight containers to maintain freshness and flavor. Consider labeling the containers with information about the chili variety and heat level for your customers' convenience. Now, let's talk about the machinery and equipment needed to scale up your chili powder production. Investing in the right tools can streamline your operations and ensure consistency in quality. Here's what you'll need: pepper drying equipment. If sun-drying isn't feasible, invest in commercial dehydrators to dry large batches of peppers efficiently. Look for models with adjustable temperature settings to accommodate different pepper varieties. Spice grinders, or mills. Industrial grade. Spice grinders or mills are essential for grinding large quantities of dried peppers into powder. Choose models with powerful motors and durable construction for long-term reliability. Packaging machinery. Packaging equipment such as sealers, fillers, and labelers will help you package your chili powder efficiently and attractively. Consider investing in automatic packaging machines for increased productivity. With your production process in place, it's time to spice up your marketing efforts and attract customers to your chili powder business. Here are some effective strategies to consider. Online presence. Establish a strong online presence through a website and social media platforms. Share mouth-watering recipes, chili powder tips, and behind-the-scenes glimpses of your production process to engage with your audience. Local partnerships. Forge partnerships with local grocery stores, spice shops, and restaurants to stock your chili powder. Offer samples and product demonstrations to entice customers and showcase the quality of your product. Brand ambassadors. Collaborate with food bloggers, chefs, and influencers who share a passion for spicy cuisine. Partnering with credible individuals can help increase brand visibility and credibility among your target audience. Let's start with the foundation of your chili powder business: the production process. Crafting top-notch chili powder requires attention to detail and quality ingredients. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Pepper procurement. Begin by sourcing high-quality chili peppers from local farmers or reputable suppliers. Consider factors like flavor, heat level, and color when selecting your peppers to create a unique blend. Drying techniques. Properly drying. Your peppers is crucial for maximizing flavor and shelf life. Explore different drying methods such as sun-drying, oven drying, or using specialized dehydrators to find what works best for your peppers. Grinding mastery. Invest in a reliable spice grinder or mill to pulverize your dried peppers into a fine powder. Ensure your grinder is cleaned and calibrated regularly to maintain consistency in grind size and flavor intensity. Packaging. Perfection. Once ground, package your chili powder in airtight containers to preserve freshness and flavor. Consider labeling your packaging with relevant information such as pepper variety, heat level, and usage suggestions to appeal to customers. Now let's talk equipment Scaling up your chili powder production requires the right machinery to streamline your operations and maintain quality standards. Here's what you'll need. Industrial dehydrators. Invest in commercial-grade dehydrators to efficiently dry large quantities of peppers. Look for models with adjustable temperature settings and ample drying space to accommodate varying pepper sizes and quantities. Heavy-duty spice grinders. Opt for robust spice grinders or mills capable of handling continuous grinding of dried peppers. Choose models with durable blades, variable speed controls, and easy-to-clean designs for optimal performance. Packaging machinery. Streamline your packaging process with equipment like automatic fillers, sealers, and labelers. Invest in packaging machinery that offers precision, efficiency, and versatility to meet your production needs. With your production process and equipment in place, it's time to spice up your marketing efforts and attract customers to your chili powder business. Here are some effective strategies to consider. Online presence. Establish a strong online presence through a professional website and active social media profiles. Share engaging content such as recipe ideas, cooking tips, and product showcases to connect with your audience and build brand awareness. Local partnerships. Collaborate with local retailers, gourmet stores, and restaurants to distribute your chili powder. Offer product samples, host tasting events, and provide educational resources to showcase the quality and versatility of your product. Brand identity. Develop a unique brand identity that resonates with your target market. Consider factors such as packaging design, brand messaging, and storytelling to differentiate your chili powder from competitors and create a memorable brand experience. Hey there, chili aficionados and aspiring entrepreneurs. Today, we're embarking on a flavorful journey into the world of chili powder production in Africa. From selecting the finest peppers to grinding and packaging, we'll uncover the secrets to launching a successful chili powder business. Let's dive right in. Let's start by exploring the art of chili powder production. Crafting exceptional chili powder requires attention to detail and quality ingredients. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Pepper selection. Begin by sourcing a variety of chili peppers with different flavor profiles and heat levels. Consider local varieties like Scotch bonnet, cayenne, and piri-piri for an authentic African touch. Drying process. After washing and drying your peppers, it's time to remove the moisture to enhance their flavor and longevity. Explore traditional methods like sun-drying or invest in modern dehydrators for consistent results. Grinding technique. Once dried, grind your peppers into a fine powder using a dedicated spice grinder or mill. Adjust the grind size according to your preference, from coarse flakes to ultra-fine powder. Packaging. Perfection. Package your chili powder in airtight containers to preserve its freshness and potency. Consider labeling your packaging with information about the pepper varieties used and the heat level to guide your customers. Now, let's talk about the machinery and equipment needed to scale up your chili powder production. Investing in the right tools can streamline your operations and ensure consistency. Here's what you'll need. Dehydrators. Commercial grade. Dehydrators are essential for efficiently drying large quantities of peppers. Look for models with adjustable temperature settings and ample drying space to handle your production volume. Spice grinders. Choose a heavy-duty spice grinder capable of pulverizing dried peppers into a fine powder. Opt for models with durable blades, multiple grind settings, and easy-to-clean features for efficient operation. Packaging machinery. Invest in packaging equipment such as fillers, sealers, and labelers to streamline your packaging process. Choose machinery that offers flexibility to accommodate different container sizes and packaging materials. With your production process and equipment in place, it's time to spice up your marketing efforts and attract customers to your chili powder business. Here are some effective strategies to consider. Digital presence. Establish a strong online presence through a professional website and active social media channels. Share engaging content, including recipes, cooking tips, and behind-the-scenes glimpses of your production process. Retail partnerships. Forge partnerships with local retailers, specialty stores, and farmers markets to distribute your chili powder. Offer product demonstrations, tastings, and promotional deals to entice customers. Branding and packaging. Develop a unique brand identity and packaging design that reflects the quality and authenticity of your chili powder. Invest in eye-catching labels and packaging materials to stand out on the shelves. And there you have it, folks. Armed with the right production process, machinery, and marketing strategies, you're well equipped to start a successful chili powder business in Africa. Remember, the key to success lies in passion, quality, and a dash of creativity. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay spicy.